Welcome back, guys. So let's get started with sequences and rules. Okay, so now sequences are pretty interesting. Okay, so for those of you who are in internet marketing, like in email marketing, so in email marketing we have in email marketing what we do is first we let me type this email marketing. In email marketing, first we take their emails, and in second step we nurture them. Okay, what we do is we nurture them by sending them more valuable content through email. So the only difference between email marketing and the sequences is in email marketing you take their emails and send them content through emails. Okay, but in messenger marketing, first they become your subscriber. First they become your subscribers, and the second part, you send them valuable content. So now how do you send the valuable content? So now there are two methods to send the valuable content. Okay, there are two methods to send content to your messenger. By the way, if I am too slow, then I think there should be an option for increasing the speed. Okay, because I know I speak a bit slow. So there are two methods to send content to your messenger subscribers. The first message is use broadcast, okay, which we have covered up in the last module, and the second method is create a sequence. Okay, create a sequence. But the thing is, for broadcast, so if you want to send content to your subscribers, then broadcast, you have to, the problem with broadcast is every time you want to send content you have to write the broadcast. You have to build the content, you have to write the content by your own, and then again send the broadcast again and again, you know. So but on sequence everything will get on automation. So let me just go and show you. So for broadcast, let me just go on my chatbot. So I will just create a broadcast here. Okay, and I will show you what is the difference between a broadcast and a sequence, and why both of them are important. So created broadcasting. So let's say you have a lot of subscribers and you want to nurture them so that you can sell them something. Okay, or you want to like send a reminder or something. So then you use a broadcast. But the problem with broadcast, you have to you have to write the broadcast on your own daily. Okay, so here you have multiple options here. So if you if you have their emails, then you can even send them email outreach from here. But I don't recommend doing all this stuff, because this will just mess up everything. Just separate out or everything you have. So build a separate email marketing account, build a separate SMS list. That will be a lot easier. So let's say I want to send them hi. Okay, hi subscribers. So subscribers, and I want to add pictures, I want to send videos and links, and that will take up a lot of time, and I will have to do this every single day. Now the thing is, what you can do is you can create a sequence here. Let me just go on automation, and here it is. automation. Okay, sequence. So once you create a sequence, let's name our sequence test 1-on-1. Okay, here it is the test text, like a sequence created. Sequence is created. Now what you can do is you can create certain flows and keep them as it is, and you don't have to again look upon those messages and all stuff. Your chatbot will automatically pass the sequences to all your subscribers, you know, all who have subscribed to that sequence. So how do you like make a flow and let users to like make users to subscribe to a sequence? It is the same as email marketing. Okay, so let me just, so let's say these are my flows. Okay, I want to send them as per my time. So let me just change this. So this immediately, so which means once the user subscribes to my sequence, this message will get immediately passed to that particular subscriber. Okay, and after 2 days, which means after 2 days of subscribing the sequence, I can even change this thing to like 3 days, or like within minutes, or we can keep the gap as minutes or something. See here, immediately, minutes, hours, and days. So you can change this thing accordingly and manage your schedules at what period or what, after which interval of time or days you want to send the message, you know. This is a great way, you know, you can nurture them on automation. So this is all about the sequence. In the next module I will create the entire video on sequences by creating a flow. So for now we don't have much time on this module, so let me just tell you what are the rules. Yeah, okay, what is the rules feature? So basically you won't use this feature much, but it's necessary that you have an idea about what this is. Basically this is a pro feature. Now rules. So now let's say whatever you do in school, okay, whatever you do in school, there are certain rules you have to follow, and if you don't follow them, there are certain triggers that will happen. So let's say if you didn't do the homework, then then that is one of the triggers for a teacher. So your teacher will take an action, which can be anything, like giving you punishment or giving you extra homework or something. So there is a trigger and there is an action. So whenever a trigger happens, an action is taken. Okay, so let's say my trigger, okay, whenever let's say there are certain where there are various triggers, uh, tag apply, tag removed, sequence, unsubscribe from the sequence. So you can give various triggers. So let's say I want to give a trigger that whenever somebody is subscribed to my sequence, a new tag is given to them. Okay, where is it? Yeah, I want to give a new tag. Okay, so I can give them a new tag, and I can choose our sequence, which is test 1-on-1. Now now if I save this, now whenever somebody like subscribes to my sequence, he or she will automatically get this tag, which is the tag USA or something. Okay, so these are just certain triggers which can be useful if you are into e-commerce, or or if you have a large data on customers or a large subscriber base, then this is one of the useful features that you can use. So this was it for this module, and in the next module I will teach you about sequences. Okay, see you in the next module.